Imagine replacing 10 different marketing tools with just one. Sounds like hype, right? I thought so too, until I spent the last 30 days using MarketingBlocks. So, can it actually save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches? Here's my honest review after a full month hands-on. By the way, if you're curious and want to try MarketingBlocks for free, I've got a link down in the description. Okay, let's break it down. MarketingBlocks is basically an all-in-one AI marketing platform. It's like hiring a full marketing team, without the payroll. This thing builds and manages your brand by creating and distributing pro-level content, all on autopilot. So what's inside the toolbox? First up, you can generate entire websites and landing pages that come preloaded with copy and graphics, 3 months of social media content, all scheduled and ready to go, including comment replies and DMs to keep your audience engaged, and your lead gen moving. You get lead magnets, like ebooks, checklists, and case studies. Done for you. Promo videos? Whether you want faceless styles, stock avatars, or even train the AI on your selfies, yeah, really, you can create killer video content without ever stepping in front of a camera. Plus, all the graphics you'd expect, logos, banners, business cards, ads, need emails, cold outreach, follow-ups, onboarding, promos, you name it, it's in there. Running ads? MarketingBlocks can create ad creatives, set up targeting, and even suggest strategy. It'll write all your website copy, sales pages, blog posts, and even business docs like strategies, pitches, and PR releases. It'll even clone your voice for voiceovers, transcribe your videos, and help you multi-purpose your content. There are over 100 AI employees ready to automate tasks like customer support, appointment booking, sales, content gen, you name it. Want an AI chat agent for leads or support? Covered. Need an AI SEO specialist to boost your search ranking? Also covered. You also get tools for courses, memberships, payments, automations, forms, surveys. You get the picture. Honestly, using MarketingBlocks is saving me hours every week. If you want to see for yourself, that free trial link is in the description. So, what did I actually like? The all-in-one platform is a massive time saver. The UI is super intuitive, and for anyone working with clients, it's a huge value add. Who's this for? Freelancers, coaches, course creators, affiliate marketers, agencies. If you're managing multiple clients, you'll love it. So, is it worth it? I'm using it 3 to 4 times a week, and honestly, I've canceled a bunch of other subscriptions since I made the switch. If you want to give it a shot, hit the link below for a free trial, plus a discount code. Try it and see if it fits your workflow. At least you'll know if it can replace your whole stack. Thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.